Hi, my name is Rosalie Musgrave and I've written a dance called Sunshine in the Rain. It is a 4-wall, 32 count, beginner line dance with no tags and no restarts. The music is by BWO called Sunshine in the Rain. I'll dance a few walls for you, then I'll walk through the dance for you. Five, six, seven, eight.
You're off to London. When I'm in New York, you're doing wrong. All those crazy nights we spent together as voices on the phone. Wishing we could be more telepathic. Tired of the nights I sleep alone. Wishing we could redirect the traffic and find ourselves at home. Feel the raindrops in the desert. Have you seen the sun rays in the dark? Do you feel my love when I'm present? Standing by your side while miles apart. Sunshine in the rain, love is still the same. Sunshine in the rain. Sunshine in the rain, love is still the same. Sunshine in the rain. Even if we call the highest.
Now I'll walk through Sunshine in the Rain for you. Weight begins on the left foot. Stepping to the right diagonal, step right, kick left, side left, touch right toe back, and repeat that. Step right, kick back, touch. Step on the right, right, hold, ball right, touch left. And if your dancers want to do a full turn left, we'll turn quarter, half, side quarter, touch. If they are not comfortable doing a full turn left, have them vine left with a touch. Then we step right, hold, ball right, touch, vine left, turning a quarter left, and brush the right foot. Left side, right behind, quarter left, brush right. Right cross rock, recover, right chassé, left cross rock, recover, side left, touch. Now I'll walk through with the count. Weight begins on the left foot, stepping side with the right, side 1, kick 2, back 3, touch toe 4, side 5, kick 6, back 7, touch 8. Stepping on the right, 1, hold 2, ball 3, hold 4. Turning to the left, or just doing a left vine if they don't want to turn quarter 5, half 6, quarter 7, touch 8. Stepping to the right, side 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4. Vine to the left, turning a quarter and brush. Side 5 behind 6, quarter turn 7, brush 8. Cross rock chassé for 1, 2, chassé 3 and 4, 5, 6, side 7, touch 8. And that's Sunshine in the Rain. I hope you enjoy it.